Hey there, James Kirtley again from Dimensional Insight. Today, in honor of Flag Day, I thought it would be really cool for us to learn about flag rules. Flag rules are these things that allow you to group together a bunch of codes into new values. I'll let Alyssa from training explain it in more detail.
In this demonstration, we'll create a flag rule. A flag rule retrieves data from a separate file called a flag table, just as a lookup rule retrieves data from a lookup table. When you use a flag rule, however, the data retrieved is a Boolean value, either true or false. A flag rule gets information from a flag table by matching a certain value from each transactional record with a value on a row of the flag table. When a match is found in the flag table, the Boolean value associated with that row of the table is returned to the transactional record. A flag table has the following requirements. Has a file name with the prefix flag underscore table underscore and the extension .txt. For example, flag underscore table underscore revenue code flags.txt. Has the following columns. Is tab delimited and is located in the same directory that contains the factory file. For example, in our Measure Factory project, we have a flag table that shows all the charge classifications for all the revenue codes used in our hospital. Revenue codes 173 and 174, for example, are identified as inpatient bed charges and NICU charges. We'll use a flag rule to add a NICU charges key column to our dataset and identify all the records that have NICU charges associated with them, which is all the records that have a revenue code value of either 173 or 174. A flag table has the following components. A single key field. A key field contains data that appears in both the flag table and the dataset. The key field in a flag table always has the column heading $MF_key. One or more column fields. A column field contains Y values and null values. When used in conjunction with a key column value, a Y determines which dataset records will be flagged as true. A flag rule can pull Y values from only one column field, but you might have multiple flag rules, each of which pulls data from a different column field in the same flag table. In our example, we're using NICU charges key as our column field. Start date and end date columns. These values allow you to change the mapping of keys and columns over time. In our example flag table, these columns are blank. Before you can create a flag rule, you must declare the flag table in your factory file and specify the name of the flag table, the name of the rule in the dataset that maps to the key field in the flag table, and the name of the date rule in the dataset. In this demonstration, we've already done those things. We haven't created the flag rule yet, however, so let's do that now. We'll begin by double-clicking our factory file name, cfg.factory, to open the file. The Measures page opens, showing a list of the 5 measures currently in our factory file. We're creating a flag rule, so we need to open the Rules page. Next, we'll click New. The New Rule pane opens. We're creating a flag rule, so we'll select Flag Rule in the Create box. The flag rule references a flag table associated with dataset charges, so we'll select Charges next to In Dataset. If we had more than one flag table defined for our dataset, we would have to specify it here. But because only one flag table, Revenue Code Flags, has been defined for the dataset, that table is automatically selected for us. So we're now ready to click Create Rule. The new flag rule is created and opens in the Detail pane with the default name New Rule 1. We'll name the rule NICU Charges Key, which is the name of the flag table column that contains the values we want to add to the dataset. In the Detail pane, NICU Charges Key now appears as both the rule name and the column name. Note also that flag rule NICU Charges Key now appears at the bottom of the list of rules on the Rules page. Now that we've created our flag rule, we can refer to it by name in other rules, for example, link rules. Here's a link rule that's called NICU Charge and is associated with dataset accounts. The link rule gets data from target dataset charges and pulls it into accounts using a calculation that sums certain values in the charge quantity rule in dataset charges. The filter field in the Detail pane tells Measure Factory to sum only those charge quantity values for which the flag rule NICU Charges Key is true. So this link rule results in a sum of NICU charges only. So that's how you create a flag rule. On the Rules page, you click New, select Flag Rule, select the dataset for which you're creating the rule, select the name of the flag table, if more than one flag table is associated with that dataset, and click Create Rule. Then you name the rule using the name of your column field.
Sadly, I'm informed that it's not actually Flag Day. So I'm going to need you to go ahead and forget everything you just learned from this video and come back when it is Flag Day and watch it again. Well, that is unless it actually is Flag Day, because you are coming back now to watch it again. In which case, if you liked the video, you should click on the like button below and subscribe for more videos just like it. If you have any questions, aside from when actually is Flag Day, we'll put them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.